Welcome, in front of me is REALME GT3, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't get the right unlock pattern to access your device. So first of all, if your device is lagging, you may consider restarting it by holding down the power key and the volume up button at the same time and selecting restart, and then trying once again to enter the right screen lock pattern. If this doesn't help, take your time and try to remember the screen lock pattern that you used the last time that worked for you. And if this doesn't help either, then I suggest that you contact the REALME customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone to them, then they will most likely help you solve your issue and let you regain the access to your phone once again. Now, if this option is unavailable for you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. And if you have a Google account installed on your device or connected to your device, then you'll be able to do this remotely through the Find Hub service that you can find on Google. So look up Find Hub and log into the Find Hub website using your Google account, Google login data, so email address probably. Then select this device on the list and select factory reset. This will erase all data from your device, but will surely let you regain access to your smartphone once the factory reset is complete. And if Find My Device feature, for example, is disabled on your device and you cannot perform this kind of operation, you can also perform a factory reset operation locally on your smartphone through the recovery mode. And if you don't know how to access the recovery mode, you can follow the lead of the full video that we have uploaded on our channel. So in that video we explain everything step by step, so you don't get lost and don't get confused and surely get everything right. So if you need a video on how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode on the smartphone, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.